bright and memorable for us with their beautiful and inspiration thoughts about Ozone Day. I am Anya Shivi and I welcome you all on the behalf of Grade 3 of St. Joseph Public School, Needu. I request all of you kindly watch this video completely and encourage us.
I, Joseph Sidra of Grade 3, along with my friends, wishing you all a very cheerful morning. Let us start the day with a prayer song, thanking the Almighty God for His love and protection. We shall join with Saira Maria for the prayer.
Smile by side, you are there, oh Lord, both day and night. You are with me wherever I go. Every moment your life inflows. You are always there, close my by side. You are there, oh Lord, both day. The importance of ozone layer from Adhaniyat Rashli Sandosh.
Nature is undoubtedly God's greatest gift to mankind. The air that we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, all these come from nature. The blue planet, our Earth, is a part of solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system, is a cauldron of blazing hot gases for more than a billion years. Luckily, we are protected by a brave little band of defenders at the very edge. Despite of the tiny size, our ozone defenders are amazing. The Earth ozone layer is important in all aspects of human life because it is able to absorb most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Thank you.
In 1970, scientists first discovered the hole in the ozone layer. It was a matter of great concern. They raised the alarm and informed people on how to best reduce their carbon emission, which are the leading cause for harm to the ozone layer. Montreal Protocol is a multilateral environmental agreement that regulates the production and consumption of ozone-depleting substances. It was adopted on 1987, September 16. It was established to bring together governments, scientists, and industries in working towards a common goal of repairing the hole that had appeared in the ozone layer. In 1984, the UN General Assembly proclaimed 16th September as the International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer. The day is mainly intended awareness of the depletion of ozone layer and search for solution to concept.
Thank you, Ardra and Ralph, for your thoughtful words. Here comes Anne-Marie Francis to recite a poem to spread the awareness related to the ozone layer and how this layer is important for us.
If we are alive, it's due to ozone layer. In our hands, there's ozone layer. It's an umbrella that protects us due to it. Harmful rays never fall. Serious is condition of the South Pole, where ozone layer has a big hole. It is well known now who is the culprit. It is the CFCs. Industries few emit. Ensure CFCs don't increase. Production should cease on freeze. The importance of ozone layers, not deny give this layer priority only high. Thank you, Anne Maria. A good speech gives a good message and motivation to us. For this, I invite Abraham Manuel Bibi. Good morning to all. World Ozone Day is celebrated to spread awareness among people about the depletion of ozone layer and to make people aware about the protection of ozone layer. The theme for the celebration of this year World Ozone Day is Montreal Protocol, keeping us, our food and vaccine cool. On the occasion of the World Ozone Day, let us always remember that we are the ones responsible for its destruction and we are the ones who need to protect it. This day offers an opportunity to focus global attention and action on these vital environmental issues. Let us join hands to work in the direction saving ozone. With our own synergized efforts, let us plant more trees. Let us use eco-friendly products. Each product to save this planet and to save ozone. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Abraham, thank you for your inspiring work to spread awareness about ozone layer and its protection. We have Ashika Jose joining us with a monoact.
Good morning all. I am the third planet from the sun. I am a special one because I am the blue planet. Water covers 70% of my surface. Amazing gaseous atmosphere responsible for making life possible on me. In my atmosphere, a container of water, 21% of oxygen, which is helpful for animals, trees, and human beings live happy on me. I am ozone or O3. I am present in the stratosphere. I absorb harmful radiation from the sun and act as a shield. Thank you, ozone, for keeping me alive. I feel somebody is crying. Let us find out. I am the one who is crying here. Oh, Mother Earth, I want to share my sorrow with you. Human activities cause ozone depletion. It makes a hole on ozone layer. CFCs and hollow that cause chemicals that break down the ozone molecules and reducing the capacity of oxygen in the handful also violent radiation from the sun. To the host on me, UV rays penetrate to us and it causes eye problem and skin cancer to humans. Don't worry, Ozone. I will educate the human about this dangerous situation. Dear human, please avoid consumption of gas and dangerous to ozone layer. Minimize the use of cars, motor vehicles, etc. Maintain air conditioners and refrigerators properly. Dear human, be careful. Love nature. Save ozone. It is a volunteer. Your small efforts can make a lot of changes. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashika. Now here comes Nivi Shadi with a slogans that remind us our duties.
Earth without the ozone is a house without a roof. Ozone is a blanket that is protected us all. And World Ozone Day is a reminder that it is time to protect that blanket. Save our sky to save our lives. Save ozone to save planet. Life depletes when ozone depletes. To save life, save ozone. Save ozone layer from depleting by implementing eco-friendly methods.
Thank you, Nibin. Now I invite Asim Maria Sebastian to describe why the UV rays are harmful and Nibin Georgins to suggest certain remedies for ozone layer depletion.
Certain industrial products and consumer products result in the emission of ozone depleting substance to the atmosphere. The main ozone depleting substances are methyl chloroform and halogens. If the harmful UV rays pass through the ozone layer and enter the earth, it will cause us problems like skin cancer, sunburn, and permanent blindness to human beings. Plants cannot live and grow in heavy ultraviolet radiation, nor can plants that serve as food for most of ocean life. Ultraviolet radiation can penetrate organisms' protective layers like skin, damaging DNA molecules in plants and animals.
To protect ozone layer, avoid the concentration of gases dangerous to ozone layer due to their contents or manufacturing process. Limit the use of cars. The best transport option is urban bicycle or walking. Do not use cleaning products that are harmful to the environment and to us. Maintain air conditioners and refrigerators as their conventional causes CFCs to escape into the atmosphere. We should be plant more and more trees to save our Mother Earth. Shaving creams, bathroom cleaners, hair sprays, spray paints, and all other kinds of sprays contain aerosols. So, we should reduce their use. Thank you, Asin and Name, for a words which really encouraged us. So, friends, now we know how important this ozone layer is for our life on Earth. I thank all friends for their performances and making this video memorable for each one of us. Once again, thank you all for watching this.